Hello, I'm Ryan and I'm here today to introduce you to the brand new exclusive to Gala tent Lumina Pergula Kitchen Suite. Now, I've not seen this before. Well, I've seen pictures of it, but it's here, it's been built, and my first impressions are that it's actually a really stylish piece of kit, and it is really imposing. Look at the size of that. The framework is manufactured using matte finish powder coated aluminium for its corrosion resistance, and the countertops and the back units are made using powder coated steel for its durability and strength. And the roof is an overlapping water resistant steel structure. It comes with a wood effect film on there which is guaranteed for 15 years. It comes with a sink unit that's integrated into the back bar counter. Now I must advise that the sink unit does require some professional plumbing. It's got a serving area, it's got wall paneling at the back for you to be able to fix on a TV monitor or several drinks optics. It's also got a wind down privacy blind on one side, so if you've got any neighbours that are prying, close the privacy blind. It is designed for all year round outdoor use, and it's pretty much a permanent fixture, so once you've built this in your garden or in your beer garden or just on your premises, anywhere where you want to entertain customers or guests, it's there for good. Now the price is £3,999.98 including VAT, but we do have a 10% introductory offer, so that brings it in at less than £3,600 including VAT. So what other features are there? Well, the legs have got a drainage system built into them, so when the rain's hitting it on the top, you can stay absolutely dry. The rain will just drain away from the roof, down the legs and away from your pergola. Now this unit is delivered in two large boxes. In one of the boxes it'll have the cabinet which is already erected. You will have to build the pergola structure itself, but it's pretty much can be built by one or two people in less than 2 hours. That's less than a wardrobe from your favourite Swedish furniture retailer. And look at that front panel. If you're buying this pergola commercially, then maybe you can get your pub signage added to the front of it. And the structure is supplied with 4 roll bolts per leg and a drill bit so that you can fix it permanently. So who is the pergola for? Well, first and foremost, I see it being used by people. You've got a large garden space outside, you like entertaining, you want to get your friends and family around and you want a focal point within the garden. Imagine this thing with a pizza oven on the top, with the optics along the back, with the TV on there. You're getting around, you're watching the TV, you're watching films, you're watching the football, or whatever your preferred sport is. It is just a really cool, ready-made entertainment space. Thinking more commercially, pubs and beer gardens. I see nowadays loads of different pubs that have got the outdoor bars, they've got the pizza ovens out there because people like spending time outside, especially in the summer. What about holiday resorts, campsites, that kind of thing? I've been to Australia, and in Australia pretty much everywhere you go there's a barbecue space, there's something like that. If you've got one of these in a holiday park in the corner, families are gonna flock to that. You're gonna find that this becomes the focal point to most people's holidays. It is a really cool item, and as I say, it should be £3,998.98. 10% off as an introductory price right now, so this pergola is less than £3,600 including VAT. So do visit the website, have a look at the product, place your order now, or call 01709 242454 and have a chat to our team about getting one of these to your place.